Say hello. Hey, hi friends, this is Suraya here. So my plan for this weekend is basically to travel to ANEGUNDI. I am quite excited. Good morning. So finally I have reached my cottage and let me show you guys around. I love these mats which are made up of banana fiber and these baskets. This is exactly what I'm going to explore and see how these are prepared. Hiral's, the host, is going to take me around. Let's see how my day goes, and I'll take you guys around with me. This is the breakfast area. The fruit juice and freshly cut fruits are here.
चार जन इधर बैठ गए ना।
हाँ
चिंता करते चिंतामणि बोलता ना, सब लोग को मीटिंग है इधर, चिंतामणि बोलता ना।
I'm heading towards my next destination, which is Water Hyacinth office. So that's very new to me as well. Apparently they make a lot of craft works out of this, and so let's go explore. It's going to be quite interesting, I'm sure. Varalakshmi ma'am actually explained me how water hyacinth is dried and washed, and then the different kinds of craft work is prepared. I'll go check out the handmade paper craft shop. Sadly, the lady who is running the paper craft is not available, so we'll move on to the next place, which is the wooden chariot. So this is Sri Ranganathan chariot. This is Uramma's craft shop. Let's see what they have. Okay, so finally I picked up these products. Two of them are made out of banana fiber. This one I got for my plants. And this is a beautiful bag with intricate design from the art studio of Uramma. This little basket here, I picked it up from Kishkinda, and this is made up of water hyacinth. What are your names?
Anwar Pasha, Veeresha, Chandrasekhar.
Say hello.
Hello.
Exhausted. Can you see it on my face? It's too hot here. I've just taken a rickshaw now and I'm covering a distance of 10 kilometers and it will take me to Hampi Bazaar where I'll have my lunch. I'm finally home and it's a wrap for the day. Too exhausted, need to sleep, and tomorrow it's a new day. So let's see, where do we head tomorrow? Bye! This morning we are actually heading towards Hanuman temple. Reached Hanuman temple, the way to Hanuman temple. Apparently there are two ways to reach the temple. One is through climbing the 500 steps and the other one is a very rough route. This is how the trail looks like and I have to reach on top there. So let's begin. $100 more to go. I'll stop for a bit and just relax. I'm heading towards Sanapur Lake. Finally we are going down and I've met a couple of other folks who came to Hampi before me. Guys, hi! Guys, are you excited?
Yay!
Hi Hiral! So chalo, we are starting.
And I hope that we don't drown.
No, we won't.
Push. Ulta.
Okay, Thadoi, now it's time to sing
Yay!
a nice song for us. क्या उसकी जिसने बनाया। वाह, अरे मैं भी खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया। She's Hiral, Thadoi, Indu.